Most people are unique for about 2 weeks. That's why that penguin clip went viral. One penguin ignores the colony, ignores the water, and walks toward the mountains 70 kilometers into Antarctica. We labeled it special, unique. We do the same with people like Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, or Da Vinci, as if uniqueness is a rare gene. But uniqueness isn't a trait. It's a comparison. Put 100 people in a room who can't code, and the average programmer looks like a genius. Put that same person in a room of engineers, and they're normal, if not below average. Same human, but this time the pool is bigger. So chasing uniqueness is like chasing a moving target. The target changes from pool to pool, group to group, environment to environment. And that's why self-improvement that is built on it breaks. You copy a unique habit, journaling, gym, waking up early, because it makes you feel different. For a week, it's exciting. For 2 weeks, it's identity. Then it becomes routine. And routine feels average, boring. And your brain hates being average. It hates doing the repetitive good stuff. So it runs back to novelty, the daydreaming of finding something shiny again that will make a way to start the loop again. You can do this with the simple boss brain. This brain is a boss you built that can't take no for an answer, and it hates negotiations. If it assigns a task, you do it, period. It runs on a protocol BOSS because it's built from 4 rules. B for baseline tasks. Choose 2 to 3. Make them default. These are as non-negotiable as eating or sleeping. Small, boring, daily. Example, 10 minutes of deep work, 10 push-ups, 5 minutes of planning. Miss once? Fine. Renegotiate? Never. O for overnight add-ons, 2 to 3. Every night you add 2 to 3 extra tasks for tomorrow. Small, specific, you are allowed to choose them, you're not allowed to debate them later. S for skip tasks. Miss a baseline task and you pay the same day, doing more of what your brain hates most. More deep work, more writing, more reading, more working. So that skipping becomes expensive for your main brain. The next S for strict no negotiation. No shrinking, no swapping, no later. You have no options but to execute it. After 7 clean days, add 1 new default task. Build capacity, like training your muscle. But there's one detail that makes the boss real. A rule that stops your urges to skip for even a day. To stop the negotiation from the root. That's inside the Notion template that I had built. If you want the Notion Second Brain template, the layout, rules, and discipline tax tracker, it's the first link in the description. Set it up tonight. Run it for 7 days, and your life will get better, inshallah.